Hi, today I would like to show you 5 best mystery shopping companies that will pay you $30 per hour to shop. Yes, this is the truth. If you want to know, if you want to earn by mystery shopping, you can just simply go through these videos and choose any companies or all you like. But simply these companies, there are lots of scams out there. There are also some fraud companies out there who are not trusted. You cannot get money from them, but simply I'm going to show you the 5 best trusted mystery shopping sites that in this video that will be your target, that will be you can work with without any problem, without any worries. So without wasting any more of your time, simply go over to the first website. The site that I have to show is called marketforce.com. Marketforce.com is the name, is the marketing mystery shopping sites that are working very good, and they are really old and professional sites that you can pick and go and start shoppings and earn a decent amount of money. So mystery shopping is like a research work. You just go and go these websites, and they will ask you to some tasks to be performed, some shopping tasks to be performed. You just simply go over to some shop, take some pictures, go do some shoppings, and all those documents are going to be uploaded to them, and they are going to research it. They just need some research. They just need your opinions, user opinions. You just simply review it. You give your honest opinions about the products, which is good or bad, how you get it, how you buy it, how the shops performs to sell that product. These all are required to further develop their products, further market research work. So this is the way the companies are going to invite you as a mystery shopper, so that they can go and they can research their work, their products. So this is the way of, this is the catch of mystery shoppings, and this way they're going to reimburse your amount you paid to buy that product. So this is the win-win situations for you. You can earn a decent amount of money, but you can, and also you get shoppings, and which is almost like free, and you get from those products for free. So simply you just go over to marketforce.com, and if you just scroll down, you can just simply click on then become a shopper link here, and it will show this page, and it will ask for you to get paid to shop or eat or play. So simply this is the statement by them. Simply go over to this page, and you simply sign up. This is the simple sign up process, and you just simply become a shopper as you submit your registration forms, and you will get task every day, and it's requires some locations. If you're in a United States citizens, it's better to, you can earn a good amount of money. If you're living in Australia, New Zealand, United Kingdom, and you will get more jobs like that. For it's like that, and that's right now opportunity is spreading all over the world. But right now this type of websites requires you to be in those countries as well to get a good amount of money. So simply this is the first website. The second website that I have to show is called bestmark.com. This is also trusted and legit website. You simply go over to bestmark.com, and you can just review this website. You can just go through the process of all of these websites, and you can see that there is at the bottom there is a become a mystery shopper. You just click on that, it will load this page, and you can see that it's asking for you to be a mystery shopper. You can apply it by clicking this apply now button, but right now maybe they are in a development phase. They somehow, it's not, they are right now not getting applications maybe, but simply in today tomorrow they will open it again. But simply when they open it, simply click on apply now button, and you will be you will register, simple form fill up and submit, and they will review it and apply and accept you as a mystery shopper if you fulfill all the requirements of them as a mystery shopper. So simply this is the second website. The third website that I want to show is called intellishop.com. Yes, this is intelli-shop.com. This is the website address. You simply go over there and you can see this is also this is a mystery shopping job provider, and you can see you can go through all the process, you can how they work, how they goes. And if you just scroll down, you can see there is a shopper hub there. If you just click on shopper hub, it will load something like this. This is the shopper hub page, and you can see that team up with IntelliShop and join one of the nation's largest panel of contractors dedicated to helping business improve their experience. This is all about mystery shopping. You simply go over there and complete this simple form and hit submit, and you can also become a shopper by clicking on register now, and it will ask to simple form fill up, and you will be a mystery shopper and you will get a decent amount of money when you complete your task out there. So this is the third website. The fourth website that I'm about to show in this video is called secretshopper.com. This is secretshopper.com, which is also a good and solid trusted website as a mystery shopping website. You can see that this is a very old website. This is working very fine, and you can see that they are BBBX accredited business. This is a really trusted website and mystery shopping and make money with this website. So you simply register there. If you just go over to this website and you can see that sign up to shop, this is the button you have to click and it will load this page, sign up to shop, and you can see that you choose your country and it will ask for some basic informations, and you just simply complete that and submit it, and you will be, no matter what, you will be accepted as a mystery shopper, and you will get task to shop online, offline, and any way if they want. You simply complete that task and you will get a reimbursement for those shopping, and you will get money back, and it's like a free shopping for you, and it's a good way to save and live a life that you want. So simply, this is the fourth website. The fifth website that I'm able to show is called Sinclair. Yes, this is Sinclair Customer Metrics.com. This is a long website. Anyway, this is Sinclair Customer Metrics.com. You just go over to this website. Simply, you just go over to this website. This is also a really good and trusted website. So simply go through this and you just simply apply as a mystery shopper. So simply if you click on this new mystery shopper sign up link, this is the button here, and it will load this page and to join our mystery shopping team, and you can earn a decent amount of money. And if there are some requirements, and most of the people will match these requirements. So this is not any hard things to do or to get accepted. So it's just not that hard to get accepted. So simply fill in this form and hit continue, and they will review your applications and decide whether you join you as a mystery shopper. So this is the fifth website. So this is all the websites out there. This is Market Force, Best Mark, then IntelliShop, then Secret Shopper, and then Sinclair Customer Metrics. These all 5 websites are legit, trusted mystery shopping website that you can work without any worries. They are going to pay you money. So this is the way. If you're living in a tier 1 countries like United States, Australia, New Zealand, United Kingdom, and countries like that, these companies are going to recruit you as a mystery shopper without any problem, and you are going to make more money. $30 per hour. So imagine how much money you can make every day, and you can just make simply thousands dollar or you can just simply save thousands dollar from your monthly bill, and wow, how happy you it will be, how good it will be if it has. So simply you just work with these companies and start saving money when you shop. So you have to shop, so why not saving money for that? So this is the way you can save your bills. So it's an earning opportunity for you to save your shopping bills. So if you are liking this method, please hit the like button. If you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you always stay with my channel, stay with my videos. New videos going to be uploaded daily. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.